We are at the last day of taping and mudding. The sheetrock is up. Tape and mud is done. Just a light coat of sanding. And we will be starting paint. Hi, Tess. Hi, Charlie. It's looking pretty good. I think everything turned out well. Here's gonna be the new kitchen. The bar will be in that corner there. Island will be where the ladder's at. And this is all gonna be cabinets and kitchen. So things turned out pretty well. All things considered. It wasn't the easiest walls to work with, but we got it done. And now it's the fun part. Once we get a coat of paint on here today, it is going to transform this room.
And then, just like that, cabinet installation day was here. We had a bunch of friends come over to help out with the installation, and things went really smoothly. It was so strange seeing our design and our dreams materialize right before our eyes. All that was left now was getting our countertops installed, getting our backsplash up, and finishing touches. One day I came home from working out of town, and there it was. There was those slabs of stone that we picked out months earlier, fully installed. And man, did they look beautiful. Matt knocked out our backsplash and it looked amazing. This was a long process that was finally coming to an end. And just in time for summer, I was so done with construction and ready to go sit by my lake.